Akenya aria mari na murimu wa asthma mari ugwati-ini wa kunyitwo ni murimu wa Covid-19 Ministry ugima wa muingi hindi ya kuririkana muthi wa asthma thi yothe ni maikitie ritana kuri arwaru a murimu ucio gukorwo mari na wigiririki munene mahinda-ini maya bururi urahurana na king'uki.
We are looking forward to adopting the latest technologies for the diagnosis of asthma in addition to bringing services closer to the people.
Goko bururi-ini Gicunji gia 10 hari igana kia akenya aria ni milioni 4.5 mari na murimu wa asthma na yothe ngima iri na arwaru milioni 339 kuria mwaka-ini wa 2016 ikuu 417 918 nicandikithirio kumana na murimu ucio thi yothe. Murimu wa asthma uthinagia mahuri, kuremererwo ni kuhihia, gukorora, guturwo ni githuri. Murimu uyu nduri dawa no ungiaga gutangikirwo wega no ucungiriirie ikuu.
Realize that these symptoms are the very same symptoms that we put out there for Covid-19. It is a major contributing factor to missed time from school and work.
Philip Mvita kuma mwena wa utabala kaunti ya Nairobi akoretwo na murimu wa asthma kwa ihinda ria miaka 28 na muthenya umwe ari thitĩji-inĩ ya ngari agithie mihang'o-ini yake nirio aremereirwo ni kuhihia na thutha wa guthie thibitari thabari itiganite nirio amenyekanire ari na murimu ucio.
Somebody gets an attack and uses
dariri cia murimu uyu ni cianjĩrĩirie gucoka na moruru maingi riria ambite gutiga kunywa dawa undu uria oigite ni onete gikuũ na maitho.
One time I went out, I had a very good day, so coming in the evening I passed under this tree and immediately I realized my chest has reacted. So later on, after doing a lot of research, I realized that the flowers of this orange, for me, it's an enemy. And the moment I realized that, I would surprise you. This is my home, but I could not pass here. I would come and pass behind. Because I realized this is where my problem has been. Because each and every day as I come home, I pass under this tree. And I breathe in that scent of the flowers. And that is how I was able to realize that as long as it's an orange tree, which is flowering, I need to avoid it.
Elizabeth Kagendo uria ni na thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta ona kiaratara miaka 28 ya gukorwo na asthma na wira wake wa gutangikira arwaru a iroda oigite nyumucungagiriria mathina amudhutha wa kurigita arwaru acokaga kwehererwo kumana na muruki murito wa dawa na uguo anekora mahinda kwa mahinda akomete thibitari akirigitwo.
Dress a wound in the ward which is very smelly. Definitely I'll start with sore throat. So that's the time I got a sore throat. The wound was so stinking. A smell you can smell even from few meters from here.
Na thengia wa uguo Kagendo ni ehugaga muno wa guikara ona kuria aceraga.
Like that time I was staying at Kawangware. The place is congested. Because of that congestion, there is air pollution, so it affects me. In town, there are those perfumes from the vehicles. They can affect me. It's any kind of smoke.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Waithira wa Kihara.